Hello and welcome.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Welcome to Daily Talk English.
This is your place to learn simple, clear, everyday English.
Alice, be honest.
Okay.
When someone speaks English very fast,
Yes?
do you understand everything?
Of course.
Really?
Yes, I understand small.
Small understanding.
Yes, I hear the words, but my brain says, what is going on?
Same here sometimes.
Especially when they speak like this, fast.
Then you just smile,
And nod your head.
like you understand,
Yes, I understand.
but inside,
Zero understanding.
complete zero.
Don't worry.
Today is different.
Today, we speak slowly,
Very slowly.
very clearly.
No more small understanding.
Today, full understanding.
Today's lesson is very special.
Today, we will practice daily life English conversation.
So you can understand and speak with us.
You can listen while cooking,
Driving,
relaxing.
or before you sleep.
We will repeat many times.
Repetition helps you learn faster.
Before we start,
Please like this video.
and subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Alex, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 in the morning.
That is early.
Not too early.
Do you wake up at 7 every day?
Yes, I wake up at 7 every day.
Listen, I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
Say it with us.
I wake up at 7.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I brush my teeth.
Good habit.
Then, I wash my face.
Listen, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
Say it.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Coffee lover.
Yes, I love coffee.
Listen, I drink coffee every morning.
I drink coffee every morning.
What do you do in the morning?
Do you wake up early?
Do you drink coffee or tea?
Do you go to work every day? Yes, I go to work from Monday to Friday.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
Listen, I go to work by bus.
I go to work by bus.
Your turn.
Sometimes I walk to work.
That is healthy.
Yes, but sometimes I feel tired. I walk to work.
How do you go to work?
Do you take a bus?
Do you drive?
Or do you walk?
After work, I go to the supermarket.
What do you buy?
I buy food.
What food?
Rice, vegetables, and bread.
Nice.
I buy rice, vegetables, and bread.
Sometimes I forget what to buy.
Me too.
Then I go home and say, oh no,
That happens.
I forgot to buy milk.
Do you go shopping?
What do you buy? What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and chicken.
Sounds delicious.
Yes, very delicious.
I eat rice and chicken.
I eat noodles.
I like noodles too.
Noodles are easy.
Very easy.
What do you eat for lunch? Do you talk to your friends every day?
Yes, I talk to my friends on the phone.
Good.
I talk to my friends on the phone.
Sometimes I send messages.
Me too.
Do you call your friends?
Or send messages. What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV.
What do you watch?
I watch movies.
Nice. I watch TV in the evening.
Sometimes I read a book.
Very good habit.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 o'clock.
Good.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Before I sleep, I check my phone.
Me too. Let's review.
Repeat after us.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I brush my teeth.
I drink coffee.
I go to work.
I buy food.
I eat rice.
I talk to my friends.
I watch TV.
I go to bed.
Great job today.
You did very well.
Keep practicing every day.
Small practice every day, big improvement.
Tell us in the comments,
What is your daily routine?
what time do you wake up?
What do you eat?
See you next time.
Bye.